So, what's up? I'm all done with this project. What it do, people? What's up? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host. And my father-in-law entrusted me with his brand new 2025 Mustang GT. Y'all seen that thumbnail. So, let's go take a look. Oh, here we go. 2025 Mustang GT with all the bells and whistles. And she's super loud when you change the exhaust. We already got started. It's hot out here. Sweating my butt off. And I still got to do his mud flaps. Still got to finish this. He got bigger tires on here. Some big tires and rims. And I got to take them off to do the mud flaps. But yeah, this is what we're doing. We're doing a spoiler. On here, you got to take all this apart. All of it got to come out. It's a bunch of 10 millimeter, two 10 millimeter screws. One here, one there. 4 7 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you got 2, 4, 5 10 millimeter nuts. Be one in the middle there, one in there, one in there, one in there, and one in there. Then of course you gotta take off this little beauty cover off of here, which is easy. Just a bunch of Christmas trees, and they go his mud flaps. A bunch of Christmas trees. Then this you get a little pick. There's a little cover to go over this, and you pick it down, and the cover slide right off. Had to unplug the rear view camera. But that's where we at on the poor Mustang. But I did clean up all the double-sided tape. My father-in-law is going to try to do this himself. But I don't think he would be able to do it. Especially if he don't got no eraser wheel to get off all that double-sided tape that was on there, and some cleaning supplies to clean it on up. But we gotta go to the garage. They go to the old one. Now you gotta tell me it's only 2 screws, 2 clips, and a bunch of double-sided tape. And it took me a while to get this off. I had to get my windshield remover so I can cut it if I was damaging the car or damaging this. No scratches. He said I can have this, add it to my collection of parts. Maybe somebody might need one day, looking for the spoiler for 2025, 2024. But here's the part I had to take off with the rear view camera. This whole piece had to come off, and this is what the spoiler mounts to. And you have to take this off for this aftermarket spoiler because it got 2 screws in the middle. Right there. For where those little holes are at right here. Then the other screw goes into that little bitty hole right there, which you can't get to with this on. Because this be on up against the deck lid. But with it off, everything should line up. You should be able to get your screws on there. Get a little double-sided tape on there. And it's already got a little scuff mark. Wasn't for me. So they come with some double-sided tape. I'm going to slap some on. Probably right here. Right there. And probably right here and right there. So, let's get to work.
But if I lay down and I With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string.
Okay. Got all that done. I missed a couple of steps on that one. So y'all seen? Had to take off all these T15s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T15s. And they go the screws you got to put in. This screw goes through the deck lid, so that would get on last. Had to put the 3M tape back on there. So I cleaned off all the other 3M tape. When you take 3M tape off, the paint come off. I use my eraser wheel to clean up all that. Then some goof off. Then some spray away glass cleaner to get all the grease and wax off, so everything will stick. But it's on there, and it ain't gonna be coming off. My father-in-law thought he was gonna be able to do this. It's kind of like a big job, but not for easy rebuilds. It's just real hot out here. I'm just constantly sweating. So it's time to get this put back on the car. Get that button up, and I see what I got to do with these mud flaps. Alright, let's see how that look. She's gonna need a bath after that. Oh, I'm missing one clip. Ooh, yeah. Bam, finishing touch. Think I do good work. You know, you gotta take everything apart. Then you gotta clean up all the double-sided glue. So I did a good job, no scratches. Cleaned up all the double-sided tape that was across this whole back end with the wire, not the wire wheel, with the eraser wheel and some goof off and some sprayway. Oh, not the trunk one pop. I got the key in my pocket. But yeah, now it's time for me to see about these mud flaps. You want to put on. I heard that exhaust, but get these mud flaps, these Rally Armor mud flaps put on. So we'll see how that go. Let me get, oh, it's hot out here. Let me get the tire off and see how this go. All right, it's hot than a mother out here. But we figured out how to put the mud flaps on. Well, I did. So we got the back ones on. The front ones is way easier to put on. Then I'm gonna rinse her down, get off all that that eraser off. So now I just gotta do this side. Like front's fairly easy. All you gotta do is remove these three, pop them out. They garbage. And you got new fasteners in there. You put in this place with a little clip that clips right there. That's so simple. And back, those instructions was crazy. But we got the back. The back, you gotta remove the fender liner. You gotta remove a bracket that go to the bumper. Then you gotta pull it out and remove the middle clip. Then replace it with another clip from the package. And you put everything back together. So, I'm about to jump on into this one. Toodles! So, what's up? I'm all done with this project for my father-in-law. After I finish with the oil change my wife's car, I'm gonna rinse this car off, get all that eraser off, so and take his car back to him. But yeah, got the flaps on there like he wanted. He must. Like, it's nice when family members got faith in your talents to trust you with a brand new 2025 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. Trust me to drive it all the way from his house in Portage all the way to East Chicago to my driveway and let it sit overnight with no worries. But I just do my thug thizzle. I did it the right way. I didn't cut no corners, took everything apart, cleaned off all the residue, cleaned off all the 3M tape, put more 3M tape on there, bolted everything back up, and put it back on. So y'all know what that means. That's gonna be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed the 2025 Ford Mustang GT 5.0, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how I did on the Ford. Share this video if you would on your social media. It'd be truly appreciated. It's hot out here. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I release a new video. We have merch not like this at teespring.com. We take cash out donations. We take donations of cars locally. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. There's links in the description area below. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.